Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. Interesting comment, and it was about how do you tell if your car is in accessory mode or in ready mode. So once again, we're going to use my GR Sport with the binocular dashboard to show you what mode you're in. Right, I'm going to power the car up now without touching the brake pedal. So I'm just going to push the button. And the car turns on. And it automatically goes into accessory mode. It tells you there. It's now in accessory mode. It won't drive away, it won't do anything. This is the mode where it's now wholly and solely running on the 12-volt battery. You don't want to be in this mode for a long period of time. It will flatten your 12-volt battery. Let's put it into ready mode. Foot on the brake, push the power button or turn the key. And ready mode is displayed up here. It's come out of accessory mode now. Engine's just started, car's ready to drive away. That is how you know whether you're in accessory or ready mode. Thank you for watching the video. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing.